how nitric oxide is a cornerstone of functional medicine. This is why we have added over 5,000 milligrams of super phytofood complex that is loaded with nutrients containing high nitric oxide from extracts such as broccoli, spinach, bok choy, carrots, cranberries, pomegranate, garlic, onions, green tea, acai concentrate, mangosteen concentrate, chuckberry, and much more. All in this one delicious liquid vegetarian multivitamin that contains 200 plus non-GMO ingredients. Here's a brief video from Beth Shirley RPH, Berkeley Life Scientific Advisory Board, and why this multivitamin should be part of your daily regimen for the whole family.
The subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified. If you want more content like this, click the like button and please leave a comment. Thanks again for watching.
Thanks everybody for joining. So we're going to talk about nitric oxide, the miracle molecule, the molecule that touches every single physiological function, from the cardiovascular system to the brain to the CNS to healthy kidney function, our eyes, hormone balance, our immune response, our lungs, breathing, the respiratory system, and the sexual response. So nitric oxide regulates all cardiovascular function and homeostasis. It governs circulation and microcirculation. Hemoglobin actually requires nitric oxide to be attached to it in order to deliver oxygen to the cells. Supports neurotransmitter function, regulates GI function, including gastroparesis, a healthy mucous membrane lining, and healthy microbiomes everywhere. It helps activate the GLUT4 receptor in order to translocate and bring glucose into the cell. It's essential for learning and memory, supports mitochondrial biogenesis, controls the efficiency of the mitochondria in the generation of energy and the generation of hormones. This is where cholesterol gets metabolized into pregnenolone, the mother hormone. It's essential for sexual function in both men and women. Required for stem cell mobilization and differentiation. Nitric oxide is essential in order to tell those stem cells where to go and what to do. Regulates the immune system function, regulates the inflammatory response and scavenges free radicals. It modifies platelet activation and aggregation, which is so critical in today's post-viral, post-jab, spike protein world. Because a spike protein makes nitric oxide more deficient, makes it less bioavailable to do all these things. So that's why we're seeing all these little microclots. And supports telomerase activity, which has everything to do with longevity.
Spike protein, what she means is from vaccines that cause spike protein to change the DNA. There are some specific nutrients that are rich in nitric oxide and algae that can close the cell or the DNA and not allow the spike protein to penetrate and change the DNA. And also omega-3, high in omega-3 was tested by Bill Harris, a professor and researcher at Stanford, and showed that people with higher amount of omega-3 were able to be protected from being spiked by a virus like corona, for example. That's what she's trying to explain regarding spike protein.